Hi guys, the goal of those videos is to learn to code all kinds of games with a minimum C# statement. The aim is that you feel more comfortable with coding and remembering the minimum line of codes. A video game maker must know that there are two tasks to do. He's using two softwares. The first one is the Unity interface for the game designing and the Microsoft Visual Studio for coding. So if we interest on the first task, I mean the game design. The game design is for the scene creation with the Unity engine interface on setting up various game objects. The game coding or programming is done on C# language. The C# is a language from Microsoft, and the software is called Visual Studio. And it is for the interaction between the game object that you create during the game designing. So I will show you what is Unity, the Unity interface, and what is the Microsoft Visual Studio soon. So here is Unity interface. Actually, in the first scene, I create a game object which is the player, and this player will interact with this purse. And I call the script associated to this purse money script. So if I double click in the money script, it will open it and we will see a few lines of code. So here is the Microsoft Visual Studio for the coding. I got here the file associated to the purse. I call that money script. And here is a few lines of code.